There is just something about a heatless curl that has me in a chokehold. It's my most simple way of going from basic to ooh. It's really easy, so let's get into it. For the smoothest, most sleekest result, you're gonna wanna start with blown out hair. I love the Revere. It's gentle on my fine hair and it's really helped to aid in my length retention journey. So I'm using the Revere today, quick and easy. I like to just detangle, make sure you have some heat protectant. This is the Oribe Gold Lust heat spray, heat protectant dry spray, and I'm making sure that that's all over my leave out and also on my extensions because you want to protect all of your hair. So I'll let that sit for about 30 seconds, and then once it comes out, it's nice and stretched and dried. I love it. Easy. Now that the hair's blown out, we can move on to these really soft sleeping rollers. I like these actually. Then I like to use a little bit of Olaplex, and this is gonna be on my leave out because we want strong, healthy hair. And my leave out has been, I've been playing a little bit. Taking some B&B, Bumble. This is air dry cream, and this is gonna go on my crochet hair, the lengths of my extensions. And this is what's really gonna help to give a nice, soft, light hold to the hair. So I start at the ends, and that's the best way to keep everything nice and secure. And then I roll my way upwards. And again, I want to make sure that end is nice and secure. And then just look at this motion that I'm doing. This is what's going to give me a nice spiral curl versus like a ringlet Orphan Annie curl. So taking a little bit of air dry cream, I'm going to show you again. This is going to help to set the hair into place. And then starting at the end, I'm just gonna wrap the ends to secure them and then start doing this twisty, flippy. You'll get the hang of it once you do it. It makes sense once you actually do it. And then secure it together. And I'm just gonna do this all around my head until I'm done. And of course, once you're done, you're gonna wanna wrap your head with a scarf or a bonnet so that way you don't disturb the rollers in your sleep. It's the next morning and I'm ready to take my rollers out, and look, they've set literally perfectly. A lot of it has to do with that Bumble air dry cream, I swear, because it gives you like that really nice shine and it gives you a light hold. So you can see like it just gives a nice, it's so soft. It's the only word I have for it. It's so soft. So this is the Unite Shine Spray, and I just want a little extra shine before I start to pull this hair apart. And then we're gonna take a little bit of the heat protectant spray from Oribe, and this is up to you, but I like to smooth my edges out on low. This is on 5 and with a hot comb. It's up to you, but I just like that extra finishing touch that it gives. So you do this to your discretion, okay? But I like I like some smooth edges. So now I'm gonna just pull my hair apart really gently. And the more you pull it apart and separate the curls, the more volume you're gonna get. And this is also up to you, but I love doing my edges with some edge gel because I live in Arizona, and if I don't do a little something, I mean even a little something, I'm gonna end up half fro in the front and then half whatever is going on in the back. So yeah, also your preference. And that's it. Super simple. I love this look. I mean, it looks so good. Down, you can do side part. The back is just like, look at the definition. And I love a little cheeky little side part. She's cute. So let me know what you think. Love you. Bye.